Greetings for the day, everyone. Man is the only animal that fouls its own nest. What made me say this? We live in an era of organized irresponsibility. The habit of ignoring our nature, our surroundings, or our environment is deeply implanted in our attitude. We cannot get through a single day without having an effect on the world around you. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. So myself, Shana Shah, here today took an effort to contribute towards generating energy from pollution and make a difference. Has anyone been to New Delhi? Well, I have been to New Delhi, and I noticed that the quality of air in New Delhi is even worse than Mumbai. Did you all know that New Delhi is the most exposed city to tiny particulate matter that can reach deep through the lungs and cause major respiratory issues? And some North Indian states were affected too. The quality of air in New Delhi, which has also been the world's most polluted city, has swung from severe to hazardous multiple times in the past. So this was about New Delhi. Let us have a look on other facts and figures. I would like to talk about EPI, Environmental Performance Index. I'm sure most of the people here must have read about it or heard about it, but I would like to elaborate and explain in simpler terms. EPI list ranks the countries according to the measures taken by the government to tackle the environmental challenges faced by every nation. You'd be shocked to know that EPI list of 2020 released by Yale University on 4th June 2020, which was recent, indicates India ranks 168th out of 180 countries. And just 5 years back in 2015, 75% of deaths were linked to air pollution. And 9 million premature deaths were reported linked to air pollution. 3 times more than TB, malaria, and AIDS combined. It kills more people than smoking, hunger, and disaster. Looking at these scary figures, all I can say is pollution. If you don't kill it, it will kill you. George Bernard Shaw rightly said, progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. Well, I believe the same, and thus I wanted to come up with the idea that can change perspectives of many and lead us to contribute a bit to Mother Nature. It's a known fact that car pollutants cause immediate and long-term effect on the environment. The car exhaust emits a wide range of gases and solid matter that can cause global warming and acid rain. It can even harm the environment and human health. Thus, I offer a solution by bringing forth this device in front of you all. This device is known as white box. There are generators and filters in this device. This device generates energy from the pollution that is emitted by the car exhaust, and then this pollution is filtered and then passed out of the white box. Let me explain you how does it work. The pollution or the smoke comes out of the exhaust pipe with intense pressure and enters the white box with high pressure. This high pressure helps turn the turbines that are present in the generator and thus generates energy. Now, before this smoke is passed out, it needs to be purified. Thus, it is passed through the filter that purifies the air. After this impurified smoke is purified, it is passed out of the white box. This purified air is much cleaner and much better for the environment. The residue that remains after purifying the impurified air is stored in the white box and can be removed at the time of servicing of cars. This device has many advantages, such as it works when the car is parked and the engine is switched off. It is also used for personal use, such as to charge mobiles or for switching on the inner lights. And the main advantage of this device is that the air that is passed out of the white box is much cleaner than the smoke that is passed out of the car exhaust. Today, we have an opportunity to take this initiative further. Remember, opportunities don't come always, you create them. It's the worst of the times right now related to environment, but still, it is the best of the times right now related to innovation because we still have a chance. I had participated in a Volvo competition and was selected from the top 20 innovative ideas. And this idea was printed in an ebook, a Volvo. This idea had also gotten an award from Stamp Media. To conclude, pollution has already caused a lot of imbalance in the environment. This imbalance threatens the very survival of all forms of life on Earth. Research says a whopping 9 out of 10 people on Earth breathe highly polluted air. It's high time we as human race find time and take appropriate measures to contribute towards innovative ideas and not just talk in crib about pollution. Rather than crib, we can do a bit to support innovative ideas. Remember, victory comes from finding opportunities in problems. So, I sincerely appeal to all, be a part of solution, not a part of pollution. And now, last but not the least, I would like to thank you to give me this opportunity to bring this idea in front of you all and take it at high level. Thank you.